All right, it is
Take it
that
away,
time
my
again.
friend.
I'm going to do a Geno Gem on fast way to find picks from my good friend and awesome stock picker, Frank. Frank Martin, he is a tackle coach and a pro, just a darn good stock picker. Guys, I'm going to show you real quick to make your week easy if you want to save time, because coming up in the holidays, I sometimes, don't have time with, you got Christmas vacation, you got Thanksgiving vacation, you got family, busy time of year, right? So I put a lot of trust and faith in my fellow traders that I trade with on a normal basis. One of my favorites is Frank. He's a technician. He finds setups right now. So let's hammer this off. Where do I find my picks? Right away, as you know, on the weekend, we have our rapid fire video. And just to save you guys time, now they'll break it down. Each coach will break down their pick. This thing's been kicking butt since day one. We're trying to get as many home runs in there as we can. We find the best setups in the market out of thousands of stocks. Now that comes out on Friday night. We publish that Saturday. By the way, guys, I made it easy for you down here. Bulls, here's Bears. But if you want to find your favorite coach in here and someone's style, watch the video and you'll see that style. Now, here comes another Geno Gems time saver. Over here, you're right now looking at the halftime report. Right away, just click on the channel, click on Tackle Trading, subscribe right away, and then come over here and you want to go to playlist, or you can scroll down to Tackle Shorts. There's Frank's charts right there. You click on my buddy Frank, and down over here on the right, you have the dates. And if you just scroll down to the bottom, you have the most recent one. This one, by the way, came out today, October 24th. So what you're going to get here is you're going to get his setups that he's looking at. He does this almost every day. And then if you don't want to hit YouTube, check it out. Facebook, go to Tackle's Facebook, be a subscriber there, and you'll see down here embedded Frank's charts. You'll see him right there. See his face right there? That's him. That's the guy right there. Let me try to zoom in. There you go. There's Frank right there. He's breaking it down on Facebook. So if you have that alert and it's easier for you to hop on your phone and grab that, great. And if you don't have Facebook, you probably have Twitter. There it is again. There's Frank. Look, it says watch again because I've already watched it twice today. There he is. So he's showing it on Twitter, because some of these different social medias are easier on your phone. So if you're traveling or whatever one you watch, sometimes you want to be in YouTube. So we make sure you have access to Frank's charts wherever it is. And if he comes up with one during the week, it'll pop up in there. And if you want to get alerts to your phone on Twitter, you know how to do that with the whole code. And I'm not going to save you time on that. But anyway, there you go. Follow Frank is what I'm calling Geno's Gem. Follow Frank for the best setups right now to save yourself time. So add that Geno Gem to your trading tips and tricks. I follow it. I don't know why no one else would. There you go.